That's why we should keep social media a safe space for everyone to express whatever they want, even if they are willing to suffer the consequences therefrom. Di ba? Hindi ba halata during 2016 presidential election, social media ang biggest contributing factor? Even the 2022 presidential elections, it was the social media. Bagong Pilipinas! Bagong mukha! Budol, bagong mukha?
Need someone of Attorney Claire's stature para maging soldier nila. So hindi na sila focus dun sa trabaho nila. Hindi sila focus sa... And I think yun yung pagkakamali nila, no? Yun yung pagkakamali nila. Kasi dapat, ano ka pa rin yung grounded ka pa rin sa kung ano yung trabaho ng gobyerno, ano ba yung mga ano ninyo.